In this video, I will be presenting the creation and hosting of our own website for free of cost. Usually, the host name, or we can say the website name, means that we require a domain name for that. This need to be usually purchased from some hosting services. For that, we need to pay annually some amount fixed by them. But in this video, I'm going to explain you how to create our own website name for free of cost, which is called domain name, and how can we place our website files so that it can be accessed from the via internet, which is called hosting solution. And for hosting also, for occupying the for providing the domain space or for the hosting space, usually the hosting companies will charge, like for example GoDaddy.com or the hostingraja.com. These kind of websites are one which are some of many other websites are there, many other companies are there. They are very famous. They will usually will ask for the money for maintaining their websites. Further, the students are usually so curious to create their own websites, what they have learned. That is, it may be in terms of the concepts they have learned like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. If they want to develop their own website, then they want to realize it on the real platform. And they want to visualize it on the real platform instead of viewing their websites statically on the computers they have developed. For this, this video will help them in creating their own websites and placing the websites on the hosting solutions which are free of cost, and at the same time choosing the domains according to their wish. This will also help them in showing the websites to the interviewers if they attend any campus placements or any interviews. Hence, this video will help the students in creating their own websites, placing of their files, and at the same time, I will also give you the information regarding how to use a famous the website development framework or a blog development framework called WordPress. So here is the biz.nf website, in which you can find the home page, free domain, web hosting, and all these options. Then here in the free domain, just I have typed Professor PRV and click for the register. Now we have got the www.professorprv.c1.bz is available. That will check for any other alternative. Okay, here only it is providing the c1.bz. Biz is the extension, domain name extension it is providing. So what I'm doing is I'm going for register now. So for this we need to sign up. So what I'm doing is first we have to go for sign up. So free domain, in order to register the free domain, this c1.bz extension, please sign up with any for any hosting. So let will do the sign up first, login. So here it is asking for the choose product or services. Here personal hosting plan, unlimited disk space, this kind of things. So here $54 it is asking. So free hosting plan is so free hosting plan is 100 MB disk space, 5 GB traffic, free.c1.bz, biz domain, PHP and MySQL, WordPress support, and Joomla and instant activation. So this is the option I have selected, free hosting plan. Then go for continue. So here there is no promo. Here we can place the first name, last name, company address, and all. Password. So it must be confidential. So you can give some. You are also supposed to provide the phone number. So let us enter the phone number, and here click here. I am not a robot. So once you enter the phone number, go for continue. So once continue, so you will get a congratulations, Raghuvamshi. Your website has been created successfully. So click here to log into your account. Is ready to explore it. So this is the client ID and login email ID this one. So keep this login information for your records. So let will just to copy this and save for somewhere. Then we'll move on to the login into the account. So it is asking for the sending of activation email. So anyhow, an activation email has been sent here. So here is the login. So please click on the link to the activate. So after activation, you will be entering into the control panel of the this.nf. Here you will find the introductory mail, introductory message. Then you can go to the various other things. So here you can see the free hosting plan is like this, and disk space is 1 GB and traffic is 5 GB per month is allowed. Then total number of subdomains I can make is 3, and MySQL databases that I can place is 1, and emails that I will get is 1. So here some other hosting features was placed here. You can go for cross-checking of this. Then so this website is giving you that we need to go for it is providing the option of .c1.bz domain. So we can go to this and we can create a .c1.b1.biz domain. So for this, let me check this the PRV is available or not. Yeah, Proxer PRV is available. So I'm going to add in this. So here pointers DNS and delete domain. So here open website. So go to your control panel, upload your website, and use the website builder or enjoy your website. So for this, what I am doing is we can go to the dashboard. Then here is the hosting tools are available. The hosting tools are like this. Here domain manager, here file manager. So in this file manager, the Proxer prv.c1.bz. In this we have to move on to. So this is the root folder. In this we can place some HTML file. Just I will write a HTML file. HTML and title. This is the website of Proxer Raghuvanshi. Then title close. Then body close. Within the body tag, h1, hello, welcome to Proxer Raghuvanshi website. And we'll use another header too, and that will write here website under construction, and that will give a small break so that we'll come into the new line. So here I'm saving it onto the desktop and I'm saving it as index.html. For this you need to upload into this. So let will upload from the URL, drag and drop and upload. After uploading, then go to the new tab, and there you type Proxer prv.c1.bz. Now whatever we have written in the HTML code was appeared here. Hello, welcome to Proxer Raghuvanshi website. The website is under construction. So like that, you can go to the website folder. There you can place all the HTML and CSS files there, and you can run your website. In this way, you can view your own applications in the real environment. First, you may write the HTML pages and cascading style sheet pages and a kind of website that you can develop on your desktop, and you can test it first. Then you can upload all the files onto the file manager, which is as shown just now, and you can run your website. Now we'll see the WordPress app that can be used and can to build the blogs and websites. So in order to do that, next to the domain manager, you'll be finding an app installer. So click on the app installer. So here it is giving you use our app installer and start building your website now. So here wizard-like installation is provided. Always get the latest versions, the app installer, and free and easy access, which especially of content management system, e-commerce, blogging, customer relationship management, and website building applications can be the related applications can be available. This so since our plan is a free plan, we have the WordPress and Grave. These three are free to install. So let will go and browse the browse the apps and install. So since these are the three free installations that we'll find here, you can go for browse and install app. Here only these three are enabled, remaining are disabled because we are in the free plan, so we cannot access any other things. So let will go for WordPress. So proceed to the step 2. So first of all, we need to remove the files that are available in the directory so that this WordPress will be installed in the root folder. So what I will do is that will go back and will uninstall, remove the index.html file that just now I have created. So here is the index.html file just now we have created. Just to because the folder must be empty. And if you might have already copied this, take a backup of it. Then try to go for creating of the WordPress app or installation of the WordPress app. So again, go back to the dashboard. There, go to the app application, app installer. Then choose the WordPress. Here, choose the title for your website. This is the official website of WordPress. So here the admin username, admin, and some password that you can generate on your own, or that you can type on your own, or you may generate it. So I'm typing on my own so that you don't have to remember the generated password. You can create your own password here. And here admin email address is whatever the email address with which I have logged in, the same address will be an install app. So it is going to create the database and copying the files like the index file. Once the files are copied, then sending the content to the sending the information to the email. So now the installation is completed. So now here you can see the installed apps available. So if you want to manage the your blog, then you can go to this link, this WP admin, and here you can access the website here. Just let me go and click here, and let us see what is the index page was created by it. So this is the official website of Professor PRV. This is just another website, WordPress site. Hello world, and this is now you can start editing this. To do this, you can go to the admin console of the WordPress, and you can start working modification of this web page. So for this, you need to go for this is the WordPress admin console. Here you can find the posts, media, pages, comments, appearances, plugin. So you can go for quickly posting the content via title and content they have dropped, and you can post it for on the fly Further, you can find here customize your site, write your first blog post, and add an about page, set up your home page. So then set up your home page is nothing but you can create your own page and can also place here, customize your site because already the pages were created by the WordPress, and you are going to make some changes. So you can go for customization, that is look and feel of the website. So I will provide the manual for how to work with the WordPress console in the description section. So then you may go through this. So this is a brief overview of how to create your own domain and install the WordPress.